Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa ba'du. So today in this video, in this 12th of March 2025, I want to record a video about Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial, which is exactly for English project IT tutorial. And here it is. I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make an inter-VLAN routing or a router that used for communication between two different VLANs or more than two different VLANs. So first of all, let me summarize something that we're going to configure in the router. First of all, we are going to use the sub interface. Uh, the sub interface are used for dividing different paths for different VLANs. So each VLAN has their own sub-interface or virtual interface that has their own other there's the all or the first interface. So first of all, we are going to search for the first router, which is the 2008 2811. So we are going to put it in the middle. So we're going to use only one router, and then switches. We're going to use the normal switches 2960, and we are going to use four different devices, or I mean just four different PCs. One, two, three, four. And now, once they're all gathered here, we're going to give them all cables that are connected to the switches. So first, we are going to let the first interface are connected to the PCs. So the one and two are used for VLAN 10, and 2, 3, 4 are used for VLAN 20, and then the last FA05 is used for the network device. So we are just going to gather it so it won't look so dirty. And we're going to just divide them if we need. If you want to divide them, you can divide them by using the blocks and then no outlines. We're going to use the normal colors. And here it is. So we have different type of connections or VLANs. And now we have two different VLANs, and we're just going to put it in here. And here it is. We're going to write down here is VLAN 10 and then VLAN 20. Now we have two different VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. And you can name it all by yourself. You can just name the VLANs by whatever you want. And here the IP address are going to 192.168.10.2 and then 192.168.10.3. So the first VLAN or VLAN 10 are using 10.0 and 192.168.20.2 and then 192.168.20.3. And the 20 VLANs are using the 20s. So here it is, all set up, all right. So here the interface, we are going to use two different interfaces, zero, one, one and two, one, six, 20.1. So here are the default gateway, are using the 20.1 and 10.1. So first of all, we of course going to configure the switches. We're just going to click on the switch and then hop on the CLI and then press enter here. And first, we're going to N or enable configure terminal or conf and just enter. And we're going to just give name first. Middle switch, middle switch. All right, middle switch. Now we are going to range all of them. Range the first. I mean, sorry. Range the first. What's the name? Pylons by using this in range or and then the interface f is 0.1 0.2. Now here we're going to switch port mode access or switch port mode access and then switch port access VLAN 10. Oh yeah, we forgot that we don't have any VLANs yet, so we're going to start making it on VLAN 10. We're going to name it. I'm going to name it like student. And VLAN 20, gonna name it teacher. Back to in range, we're going to go on a VLAN 7, VLAN 10. Now we are all in. we're going to set up the VLAN 20 by in range, FA03 till 4, and then switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 20. And now they're all set up. We're just going to set the router on the trunk mode. So in FA05, switch port mode trunk or trunk this. And then now they're all set up. We're going to set up on the router. Go on the router, go to the click router once and then go to CLI, hop on CLI and write down no. Enable conf. We're going to change the host first, core router. And then now we are going to give the IP addresses and encapsulation on all subinterfaces. But how do you even make subinterfaces? So first of all, we're going to no shutdown on the switches, so it will be activated with the 00, no shutdown. Now it's all activated. You can see from the red to green. And then now we're going to go at fa00 dot 10. So this is the command. And we have now entered the subinterface. We're going to encapsulation on dot 1 queue. And we're going to connect to the VLAN by 10. And then now we're going to give IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.55.0. And I'm gonna hop on 00.20 and then go into encapsulation again. Just use the same command and 20 and IP at 992.168.20.1 And now we've got all the IP set up. We're going to hop on the PCs. Desktop and IP configuration 192.168.10.2. It is. I think you need the gateway, so we can just answer it. If I don't know if you I don't know if I'm correct. I think I'm correct on the gateway, and then change overall on the 20s, 2002, copy, paste, and then one, and then now on the last PC, up on three, and then going on one, default gateway. So we're just gonna skip on the time because hope that it will be going on. So trying to ping one VLAN and each other, yes. And then ping again, VLAN 20 to 20, yes. And now we're going to try on the inter-VLAN routing in progress. Now it's successful. So both PCs on the different VLANs can now interact with one each other. And now you can see in progress, refresh, and successful. So yeah, that's going to be all the videos for tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.